Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the cooling fan relay is located. You may have up to 2 different relays depending on year, model, engine and all that stuff. Stay with us, we'll explain about that, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find a cooling fan relay, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You will guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla. Today we're working on one that's under the hood. Open the hood. Now, by the way, if your cooling fan doesn't work, check the fuses for the cooling fan. We have the video on the channel. It's called Toyota Corolla cooling fan fuse location. Check it out. Here on the right side, facing the engine, you have that cover. Open it. Underneath, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the cooling fan relay guys, where you can find it. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for your Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste your money and time. If you need to find the cooling fan fuses, we have the video on the channel as we mentioned, but the relay for the cooling fan guys, you have one relay that you will need to check, and it's specifically known as relay number 4 guys. Okay, number 4 will be that relay right here that you will need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you next time.